How to fix ChatGPT payment declined or failed issue. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and make sure that your credit or debit card has enough available funds in order to complete the payment process. And if that passes, you can simply go ahead and double check your card number, your expiration date, your CVV and billing address, and make sure that all these informations are entered correctly. You can then go ahead and verify that your bank allows online and international transactions when you mend the transaction. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then you can simply go ahead and try using a different payment method or use another card that supports the payment. See if that helps, and if not, then go ahead and remove the saved payment method and then re-input the payment method and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then you can simply go ahead and check for your VPNs, as if you have enabled any kind of VPN services, then payment methods might not work. So simply go ahead and disable any VPN or proxy and then try the payment again and see if that helps. And just in case, if you are subscribing through your App Store or Google Play Store, then make sure that your payment method is valid and up to date. See if that helps, and if not, then sometimes the app might be facing issue while completing the payment method. So you can try using the web version of ChatGPT in order to complete the payment process. See if that helps, and if not, then you can also check if your bank has blocked the transaction for security reasons, and you can then contact them if necessary. And if the payment still fails, you can simply wait a few hours and then try again in case of a temporary payment processing issue. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix ChatGPT payment decline or failed issue. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.